Best snorkeling glasses. Brilliant coral reefs, luminescent fish and incredible ocean treasures are just a few of the discoveries you make by embarking on a snorkeling adventure. Take a look in the underwater world can be an exciting experience if you have the right equipment. Of course, a good diving mask must fit comfortably without leaving the water to infiltrate and blur your vision. In this way, you are free to maneuver around seabed and rocky pools as long as you want without having to stop because your equipment does not cooperate. Unfortunately, there are many glasses on the market that do not have the quality characteristics on which a snorkeling lover depends. That's why we decided to draw up a list of the top 10 diving glasses that keep their promise to be comfortable and waterproof. You will get the best snorkeling glasses you can check out below. Our first product is material. Soft silicone belt and seams of diving face cover. Non-toxic, tasteless, corrosion resistant, bringing you great comfort. Anti-fog film design. The anti-fog film used by our snorkeling glasses for adults can avoid fogging on the inner lens, making you clearly visible underwater lens. Cressy face cover adopts tempered glass lens, anti-scratch, anti-fog, anti-impact, and effectively protect the eyes. Adjustable design. Height adjustable face cover strap and flexible face skirt. Perfectly designed to fit almost any shape and of different sizes. Our second product is material. Soft silicone belt and seams of diving face cover. Non-toxic, tasteless, corrosion resistant, bringing you great comfort. Lens. Cressy face cover adopts tempered glass lens, anti-scratch, anti-fog, anti-impact, and effectively protect the eyes. Adjustable design. Height adjustable face cover strap and flexible face skirt. Perfectly designed to fit almost any facial shape and heads of different sizes. Large view. The snorkeling face cover goggles with dual lenses provide a great view for underwater adventure, which is very suitable for underwater photographers. Diving, scuba diving, snorkeling, swimming and filmmakers. Our third product is Adjustment Kids Snorkel Set. Kids Snorkel Set suit for age from 4 to 8 years old. There are two black buckles on the side of the snorkel mask to fix the strap length. You can adjust the size according to kids' head circumference. Comfortable and safe snorkeling gear. The materials of this snorkel set are flexible and solid. A durable, good quality product. The food-grade silicone mouthpiece is also comfortable for a long periods of time. No jaw fatigue and any peculiar smell. Perfect fit and no leaking. Adjust elastic silicone strap to fit snugly and the improved mask fit different face shapes well, including age from 4 to 8 years old. This mask has a very soft liquid silicone skirt, reduces face water pressure, seals on your face well without worrying about water leakage, no fogging and super clear. Crystal clear tempered glass lens of the mask has been anti-fog treatment to help you see the tiniest things in the water. Scratch resistance lens prevents from accidental scratches and remains high clarity. Our fourth product is Ultra Clear Lens with Wide View. The advanced lens design maximizes your horizons, which provides a 180 degrees wide range view when snorkeling, swimming and scuba diving. Enjoy maximum visibility underwater. Premium material. Soft and high-quality silicone skirt. Strap and joints. Non-toxic and tasteless. Anti-aging and corrosion-resistant. Which provide great comfort. Adjustable design. The highly adjustable mask strap and flexible face skirt. Perfectly engineered to fit virtually any face shape and heads in different sizes. Tempered glass lens. The snorkeling dive mask adopts tempered glass lenses, which is as different from normal swimming goggles with plastic lens. This snorkeling scuba dive glasses is anti-scratch, anti-fog, high impact and shock resistant. Effectively protect eyes. Our fifth product is anti-fogging and no leaking. Snorkeling set use the most stable dry floating valve design, and the flexible breath tube is easy to breathe and drain. The diving mask is made of tempered glass lenses which can prevent strong ultraviolet rays, and the lens surface has been specially anti-fog treatment clear lenses and panoramic view. This mask features a single layer of tempered glass lens designed for snorkeling, swimming and scuba diving. The skirt is made of soft hypoallergenic transparent silicone. The ultra visibility provided by the single lens and the unusual shape of the frame extend in all directions. Food-grade silicone material. Scuba diving mask is made from soft transparent or food-grade silicone, and comes with great comfort. The skirt of eco-friendly materials won't make your face allergic, and it's easy to clean after use, especially suitable for long-term use in free diving, without feeling uncomfortable. Easy to use and fits for most. The mask has an adjustable strap that is easy to operate, adapts to a large number of facial types, and is lightweight and ideal for free diving.